aya EOCO for hwehwemu bia wo mo ye edifa aya Agogo Presbyterian College of Education aya dwumayefo bia wo mo ewo honom no sa document no ene anope anase sa hwehwemu no ene anope ye de aya dwuma it's modern national so this will be a running story. We'll start today, we'll continue perhaps next week. And I'm ready. But you pa na share rules of mama. The Adam name Siciano Economic and Organized Crime Office. Or mo letterhead suni and Adam name. One more extra ayakra 10. And the principal Agogo Presbyterian College of Education. That's a year. Almost say, dear sir, release of staff. Dates for this particular letter, 14th October 2020. Afeti, you are directed to release the attached listed staff of the college to appear before the regional director of the Economic and Organized Crime Office, the representative of the executive director at the regional office located at bungalow number 6, Royal Palm Avenue, opposite the Rotary Park, Gate 4 in Shaeso, Kumase, on the dates indicated against their names to assist investigation into alleged case of procurement irregularities and stealing at the Agogo Presbyterian College of Education. Asama ebaya no no eti ehonsem ebeba okay Presbyterian Women College of Education. Okay, thanks for that correction no it is school within no but the EOCO capture Agogo Presbyterian College of Education, but the school nangasa no Presbyterian Women College of Education Agogo. It is aneti now edia EOCO for anasa krata makenkan no the chire nyina na say EOCO for say womo pe school nim Agogo Presbyterian Women College of Education no womo pe emu edwuma yefuo ni bi womo waba nsam eto womo pe safo ni bi so womo mbra na afi no womo embeboa nhwehwemu bi eti no na safo ni din enye womo sisi womo ba they should come with education certificates, appointment letters, and then bank statement from 2017 to date. And you signed that Joseph Atta, regional director for the executive director. It's a staff of Agogo Presbyterian College of Education to report at EOCO Ashanti office. Number 1, vice principal. Number 20th October 2020. Finance officer, my friend, Isifu Paul Abesi. Isifu Paul Abesi. Now, so I call 20th October 2020. Number 3, procurement officer, your friend, Stephen Atta. Now, so I call 21st October 2020. College matron, your friend, Evelyn Nyako. Now, so I call 21st October 2020. Storekeeper, near friend, Eric Morgan. Now, so I call 21st October 2020. Now, the 6th person, assistant storekeeper, your friend Augustine Intim Diodu, assistant storekeeper. Now, so I call 22nd October 2020. Then also, accountant, your friend Armstrong Ephraim and Nobugri. Armstrong Ephraim and Noebugri. Now so call 22nd October 2020. It's nimpa EOCO aton sade frɛ wo so mo embra ye Kumasi EOCO office no nimpa baako enson wo mudini ana me dia ma wo no. Now EOCO fo hwehwemu no wo mo site mu emu nan sɛ wo mo no ade akro no bobi pa no abata womo ho safo no enie tienie pa safo no enie yawo Paula Abesi Isufu ono yase dwume katahye a adokro no sika odi hia no 120,500. That's all the quiet currency can anymore. 1,250,000,000. See, over 1 billion. And now, EOCO for say, Pola Besinquano, a fan and sassy. Number 2, Eric Morgan. Also, Diano, 52,200. The kind of Tiscano, 52 million. 520 million. 2 million. That's a actually. It's also maybe. No. Eric Morgan, a principal store assistant. Stephen Atta, procurement officer, 39,500. It's a car by 1,000 Ghana, not just 400 million. And after Matron, a friend, Mame Evelyn Nyako, and also the 10,000, a Canelo 100 million. And I'm a Mrenty, and you have from me, pet, next week, Yaba. That yet then Carlos wait to ready at you also. Now you should your EOCO for a kind of far. I am Mame Evelyn Nyako, Matron, Mediani. Evelyn Nyako Matron, Presbyterian Women College of Education, Agogo. Dear Madam, interdiction and release from position. The officer's investigations into stealing on procurement irregularities and tax evasion at Agogo College of Education is ongoing. Investigations has established that you have conspired with other officers of the college to steal the college funds through fictitious procurement and illegal payment to suppliers contrary to Section 23 and 124 of the Criminal and Other Offences Act 1960 Act 29. The amount involved is 10,000 Ghana cedis. It's Yasema me aye Evelyn Nyako na wo ye Matron na honom. Wone edumayefo ni be akamuti epam ho. Ema mu wie sika. Enyame na meka. EOCO say you stole the money. Sika no mu wie aye. Enyame na meka. EOCO say sika no wo wie aye. Na anya won ko a na mo ni edumayefo ni bi. Ena kamuti pam ho. Ena mu wie sika no. Na sika mu wie aye no na wo chefa wudi ye. 10,000 Ghana cedis. Kanen Titiscana 100 million. Enti EOCO Fokosoka said, you are hereby directed to step aside as the college matron to pave way for the completion of the investigations. Enti Enea Yekasemami Yinchen because of Ayekasashe Sika Odiye Ewo School Muntino and then Yadeno Esi Aya and Chain. You are immediately directed to refund the stolen money amount of 10,000 Ghana cedis only into Economic and Organized Crime Office exhibit account number 10186314722265 at Bank of Ghana and produce evidence of payment to this office on or before December 31st, 2020. You are to avail yourself to this office when and at where you will be invited or needed to assist the investigations. We therefore anticipate your cooperation during the investigation. Thank you. Signed, Joseph Atta, Regional Director for Executive Director. Enti, the EOCO for Ekatura Mame Matron no. Evelyn Nyako when say, Sikale de almost more why you need Sikano. What in Sikano? Muvia 10,000 Muvia. It's 1 month. A Bank of Ghana account says Sikano. Could you Sikano Fatum? Now, friends, anytime you're my friend, Sabra. Now, some no. One month you have young Shimono. Also making sure say obey a velo. So Matron on 10,000. Okay. Young Trasso. Now for young share the accountant. It's so sad.
FM 98.9 megahertz.
Me saka sankrata we mu dream. Finance officer also DNA. Paul Abesi for finance officer Presbyterian Women College of Education. 2nd November 2020 ya na churo krata na de man. International Bosumo Minukra Enyambai. Okay. Dear say, interdiction and suspension from position. The office's investigations into stealing, procurement irregularities, and tax evasion at Agogo College of Education is ongoing. Investigation has established that you conspired with other officers of the college to steal the college funds through fictitious procurement and illegal payments to suppliers for goods not supplied. Contrary to Section 23 and 124 of the Criminal and Other Offences Act 1960, Act 29, the amount involved is 120,500 Ghana cedis. Enti, the EOCO for the finance officer, Paul Isifu, and say, Yase onon kuano, on a college of education, one of them, be a committee up hamo, every sika, kitchulidie. Sikani na yakabumwa, and over 2 billion. Then, the Ako Isifu Nkwa bottom, finance officer, no bottom, no, 1.2 billion. 1.2 billion, any actually. And no one I call no botomu. Yassikano, Yoko, I am an American, Yoko Nazisicano, Muviai. Or say, Moya Morgan, Samuka to maybe. Now, what you scan them as suppliers, no? Now, suppliers in Sicano Montano, and your manner, Uncle say, Sir, I supply it to me at the best school, no? Supply it to me and found Bentino. Mumusi Chile, almost Musha Mutra say, Musi Chile, that's how suppliers no, Echo Jesus coming with the Gumubutum. I am an America, Yoko, and Ayaka. Now, young Chiaso. And then, over 10 cents.
Adansia FM 98.9 megahertz.
Point number 2 again, you failed to compute taxes on taxable procurement and expenses of the college during the period September 2019 to February 2020. Contrary to GRA Act 2019 Act 179, the amount involved is 17,189.46. It's the accountant I have to see. Say obi ebeto bibi. Say obi so the Sikano France e pia bonten. And na tax nso e wo so wo take tax na wo de ma ban no. Wo ye hwe han between September 2019 to February 2020 no. A whole accountant want the tax and farm ban. 17,189. It's also no approximately 18,000. 180,000. 180 million. Can't it is Ghana? Aya Isifu Abesi. Paul Isifu Abesi. Finance officer. Eti uya high a bokro nu say. Abansika. Udu say vrem a bokro nu say. Would you want to be sir? Okay, let's finish this. Again. Okay, recommendations. You are hereby directed to step aside as the finance officer of the college to pave way for the completion of the investigations. And to Yoko for say, even though someone will say when we study the investigation, no more no sin chansa, no more you are advised to hand over properly to the college principal pending the outcome of the investigation and submit a copy of your handing over document to this office. So that's also hand you over. Now, other copy, edema school no principal no. Those are to be at the comma EOCO for. You are also directed to refund immediately the stolen amount of 100,500 Ghana cedis. The stolen money, we are saying, you are hereby directed. Not just say, ya shall say Sikano, Sikana Weviano, Ombetia. Account number no ewaha. EOCO for account number 101-863-1472265 at the Bank of Ghana and produce evidence of payment before 31st or on 31st. That is also Mutuiscan. you are to avail yourself to this office and idea. Inti se yetimemu. Let's just say any ebe your mind.
Adanse FM.
Obia yede aban dwuma bia be hye ne nsa. Nipa ne betimi agina eye ne peso envieska. Nipa ne betimi agina eye ne peso. Dia anya ne dia na se sika o se yede ebu school no. Sika o se yede your mind yie no. Obi betimi agina ne peso. Ese se sika no e bi gu ne bottom e de kofie ene ne yere ene ne mba ekodi asa nipa ne anya ne den. I am even sure these guys are still working. Because clearly, you know, we are a fraud. It has been established that we are a fraud. Now, no, we school anymore. We school no. Mo said the school no mesiatie enti mo ane je ho said the school no esiaya no mo ane je ho first impression and ko say ye kwan ene tertiary bia wo wura mu a anya hwekran entrance ye papa akwan ye papa mo hwa mo de no Presbyterian Women College of Education Agogo here mo hwa mo de no
FM
ni nyina na say sika mo betimi ade abro school no Inkrofobia musim we accountant for Inkrofobia musim we procurement officer for Inkrofobia musim we say ni say mo just kana nam bisika no egu ekise mo faculty kwan so ana mo disika na egu mo botom. Can we live in a country like this? Yatisi yasi sika na bi mo ahase etuetu bi. But you see, we can't continue like this. We cannot continue like this. Mr. We are live on Facebook. Adanse 98.9 FM. Ko Facebook sisi ya. That's the behwe dwumadi ani bi. Behwe. What the address sisi na behwe omo akwan no. College no behwe omo kwan eda so video no da so. Sisi ya behwe bi. Hwe kwan akwan. A whole university omo kwan ni. And I say whole college of education. You see and when you tertiary status. Mo kwan ni o. E na suo tutu sei. Montimenye but sika kakra ba mo nsam a mo said ye si faculty kwan so any sika na edi gu mo botom Matron ma me anka wo de behwe bia na so wi bia na mayen won so e che se chenchena wo si sika ji so wi bi di
Adanse FM
ma me muwa o evlenyako ma me muwa anka mama na ye no wumpu na ko betu o mfuso obi amu ye di enye so so do nwa jim 10,000 Ghana cedis wodi adan accountant dia no krade e just say me hi chai ni na over 1.2 billion over 1.2 billion and na kan wa samsa no onkon wa pocket stolen. Look, we can never continue like this. So if we say, kind tetena, na mutumi ya ni maybe mutumi atnas mutumi abokro no, edugo mbotom no. So movies are samre no, emu ene say obi na, and then they want to pay it you. As long as I am in this town, we will hold you responsible for everything that you do. Never also think said the Albayano, you was man, I say MPR one thing. I am telling you, whatever that you do, we are going to get it. It cut across Obia. Obia, you may be a show on Sano. We will make sure you deliver. Sikano, what the bay, they all say, to the Mufono, it will benefit him. And then, we shall shoot now one a school no more. In foot room, and young Fadi, accountant, police, and young Fadi. Enya mo fa de ena mo de tete ho ena mo discan sa
Adanse FM
Mr. from Mrs. Anafo adwenjira fa bu odwumadi no aka eye ba emu no na miensa emre ni ti next week me de ano baba ti from Mrs. 032